Hey guys, it's Nikki Bonifata with the Joe Taylor Group here at our newest listing in the Northwest. It's 4855 North TP Lane. We're looking at a single level on a half-acre lot, 3,600 square feet, 4-bedroom, 4-bath, casita, pool spa, a huge RV parking, and best of all, no HOA. Come on, check it out. Level 3,600 plus square foot home features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, casita with wet bar, executive chef's kitchen, pool and spa, festive yet, RV parking for all your toys. Guys, thanks for taking a tour on our newest listing. If you want more information about this home or any other home, you can contact us at 702-336-8500. Myself or one of my teammates will be happy to help you.